Hi there, welcome to Spoken English production. Today I have some words to repeat after me. The first word is mountain. We are going to say it morning. It's morning. Repeat after. Morning. Mountain. Actually, what we are going to do over here, there are several words regarding this, the ending of the N word and then T. So what we do, we put stress over the N word, morning. We say it morning. We make N sound in the ending of this, before ending T we say mountain. Alright, let's proceed to the next word. This word is not fountain. We should say it fountain. Perfect. We put stress over the N sound, fountain, like mountain. Repeat after, fountain. Perfect. Fountain. What about this word? How do we pronounce this? How do we pronounce this word? It is not difficult to say. It is a plantain, but we should say it rather. It is very important for the rule of the India. We should say it plantain. Plantain. Rather than we say plantain, we should say plantain. Like mountain, Quentin. This is noun, and we should say Quentin. This word is re-attain. Re-attain. Reattain. Re-obtain. Reobtain. This word is not difficult if you repeat after and listen me. According to the rule, there is a T sound, and before T there is an N. We should say inner. Innertain. 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 Fawning. Inner. What about this word? This word is also not difficult. If I tell you one thing very interesting, any word that is ending at the end of the word that is a T sound, what we do over here, we say the one thing. What? We skip T sound. We should say me, like nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Perfect. Repeat after. Nice to meet you. Do not say meet you. You should say me you. Nice to meet you. Good. This word is not difficult. Practice, use your experience. This word looks like it is saying that certainly, but we should say it certainly. 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 Just skip the T sound and say certainly. Absolutely. 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 This word is very enjoyable. Once you did it, you made it. Like read. Written. Last time, written. Just skip read. Make sure or make gap. Written. The rule over here is you're going to skip this T rather than written. You should say written. And imponent. Imponent. The N sound is like N, T. What we do, we skip the rule of T sound. We do imponent. Impo and then nent. Imponent. Perfect. Imponent. This word is forgot, forgotten, forgotten. Kitten, like fitness, kitten. Sentence. We skip the T sound, we should say N. Sentence, sentence, sentence. And interview. Skip the T sound and say inner view. Interview. Like Plantain. Interview. And this one is international. 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 Inner. National. Make the link of N sound to R. International. This one is a bit easier one. If you're gonna skip the T sound over here, you might say 20. 20. Make the link with NY and say 20. That's it. Let's practice for last 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 21st, 23, 23rd, 22nd, and then 20th, 30th, like that. We should say 20. This word is going to tell you I am not over the T sound. There is don't know, don't know, don't know, don't know, like DONO, don't know, don't know, I don't know. Sentence. Inner state, inner state, inner. Press the inner key. Center. He was playing in the center of the building. Printer. Printer. Where's your printer? I want to print something. Wanted. Wanted. The best pronunciation, you're going to skip the T sound and just give support to the N sound. Stress that one until net. Wanted. I wanted to hear. For what the rule is over here, the T escape is difficult to pronounce if you're going to pronounce it a single word, but the problem when you're going to say the T sound in this will be inside a sentence. Just look at before. So that one is perfect. Do not go outside barefooted. So when the single word is going to be pronounced, say it foot like. Put in the bottle. You might say put in the bottle. Put in. It actually look at the T sound. It's between two vowels, U and I, and then T comes. Put in. Put out. Put it. Put it in the bottle. See the bottle. Put in the bottle. Hat. Mat. Fat. Sat. Lord. Rat. Pat. One. Sit. He was sitting beside me. Here is two vowels between these T, so we say he was sitting beside me. He was sitting beside me. Beside me. Set. Fit. Exercise is good for fitness. Fitness. Now here's the perfect use for this. If you're going to use this word into multiple words, so this is perfect to say fitness. Bat. Pot. Like hotspot. Hotspot. Computer. Put all the data in the computer. Water. Better. Bottle. Heater. Settle. Settle. Matter. Meter. header or Peter. Ability. Here is schwa sound like a, like ability. Ability. University. Here is schwa, university. Put it on. Put it on. Great idea. Here is D sound. Great idea, because this is vowel, this is also vowel. You might say D. Great idea. Bada. Here is D sound. Bada. Kada. Kada. And wada. Wada. Good idea. Geta. Get a better water heater. Get in. Get out. Do you wanna get in or get out? Get out. Put off and put on. This word is actually I am a. I am a. Like a noun in ending, like I'm a student. I'm a. You might say I'm a student. Same as got a, gotta. Want a, I wanna. Like let me. The let me is ending at T, let. So we skip the T sound while we're going to say me. Let me. Have to. We might say I have to. Have to. Gonna, like going to. Ada, like out of. Out of. We skip the T sound. Ada. Your eyes are out of this world. Your eyes are out of this world. Isn't it?